श्री राम। जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम। चले जी,
चले सर। People are waiting.
जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम,
जय श्री राम। राधे राधे।
चल, राधे राधे।
I want to namaskar ji.
नमस्कार।
So Varun, where are you?
नमस्ते।
Varun, yes Varun. No. Yes, Anna, this is Varun from Hyderabad.
जय श्री राम,
Jai Shri Ram.
जय श्री राम।
Yes. Please maintain four lines. Please maintain 4 lines. Police instructions. Yes.
नमस्ते, नमस्ते, नमस्ते।
Everybody are so
All good.
excited. This is family. The entire family comes for all 4 meetings. All 4 meetings they are there.
Nice, nice.
Yes.
Very nice. चले, यहाँ से जाना है।
No. You have to.
That side.
You just have to say stand on the stairs. Ankit bhai, please. Ankit bhai, if you want.
जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम।
If you want to address something, thank you for.
So thank you for coming. पीछे और भी है, इस तरफ आ जाएं। No. I'll start speaking from here. Huh? Nice. So it's very good that you have made a community over here. तो हर एक सिटी में हम बनाएंगे और जितने ज़्यादा लोग हम अवेयर कर पाएं, because a lot of fake news as we know. तो फैमिली का बॉन्डिंग जितना स्ट्रांग होगा, कम्युनिटी का जितना स्ट्रांग होगा, उतना ज़्यादा आपका स्ट्रेंथ भी बढ़ेगा। चले, जय श्री राम। चले।
Meet Gurudat sir.
जी।
He had come to first meeting and he is very well versed in all the Bangalore history and everything.
No,
And
nice.
he is Vinod Malvi sir, you know. So these two people will be your main anchors.
Okay.
They will be explaining you what is the idea of each place.
Ji.
So first we will go here. We
Okay.
will walk slowly. We will cross the zebra crossing. Everybody will follow as a snake till the temple. We will have darshan. We will go on top of the hill and we will start. Okay? Yes. One minute. One issue, sir. One minute.
जी जी, नमस्ते।
This whole area is called as Baswanaguri,
Okay.
and Baswanaguri means Baswaga temple
Okay.
in Kannada. Baswa means bull, Rishabh. So this particular area is a history to it.
There is a police problem, so please, 4 lines.
So I do not know whether you know history of Bangalore.
No.
Okay. So let me start with history of Karnataka.
हाँ
Okay. So Karnataka, the name, na,
हाँ।
original name is known as Karunadu.
करुनाड।
Karunadu. lot of other people developed. Hyder Ali developed the city. It was one time Hyder Ali's capital. Britishers came. Britishers developed it. But the main person who developed Bengaluru, while coming from the airport, you must have seen. Converted itself, sat down, and next day it was converted into stone.
अच्छा.
Right? So thinking that they have done some particular mistake or something, they built one temple. That is the Bull Temple that we are going. It's a 16th century temple.
16th century.
16th century, and ever since 16th century, there is a tradition of offering groundnut crop to the bull first, and this whole area and that also. So on the other side of Mandir also, and on this side of Mandir also. So that is that is and just to tell you that Nandi, one of the foremost deities in Hindu religion, also of course in Jain religion also Rishabh Dev or Rishabhnath, first Tirthankar if I am not mistaken, right? And the founder of the Lingayat community, his name is Basava.
Let's go this.
Basava is Kannada for Nandi. Yeah. So all this makes this particular temple, which is known as Dodda Basavangudi. That means the big bull temple. So I very jokingly tell all my friends in Mumbai that Big Bull Bombay mein nahi hai. Big Bull is in Bangalore.
Here. It is here.
It is in Bangalore.
अच्छा.
What you are thinking of?
year old.
Right? And there are 400 years old bull temple. Right? So what happened in 1898? There was a huge plague in Bangalore. So this particular region was also affected. So at that time, there was one deputy commissioner called as Madhav Rao. He said that let us develop two far-flung areas. One was this particular area. It is absolutely grid-like. The main road. This and Malleshwaram was developed as those particular areas. One more, if you want to add one more legend, is that you heard of R.K. Narayan's book Malgudi Days. Malgudi Days. So they say that it was based on these two areas, Malleshwaram ka MAL and Basavangudi ka GOD. So if you actually search for a place called Malgudi, there is no
nothing.
Malgudi. So very old, and a lot of Karnataka celebrities, also national celebrities, have stayed in this particular area. In Karnataka, Kannada literature has got as many Jnanpith awards as the Hindi ones.
One more than Hindi.
One more than
Hindi.
Okay. So one of the first recipients, one Mr. as late as our former Indian captain. Anil Kumble is also from this. So this is the brief history. And for us, after you came from this Kriya Mahotsav, no?
हाँ
And our first breakfast meet
हाँ
also happened at this place.
this place. Oh, oh,
So,
amazing, amazing history.
and some of the trees which are there in this particular area, no?
हाँ
They are more than 100 years old.
looks. हाँ
100 years, very very shaded,
हाँ
and but more than 100 years old. Built in or planted in 1900 or so.
And one more thing.
Yeah,
actually. This area is called Gandhi Bazaar.
Gandhi
Why
Bazaar.
it is called Gandhi Bazaar?
No.
When Mahatma Gandhi was there
हाँ
and he was doing freedom struggle and all that,
हाँ
he had come here.
अच्छा.
At that point of time, this was, as he was saying, it was Sunkenhalli. It's a village. Okay, there was that main road. You stayed in that hotel, no? That road.
Aditya Hotel Road.
Okay, in that hotel, in that road, okay, since Mahatma had come here, okay, people organized lunch for everybody. So lunch was served on that road, on both the sides. Some 10,000 plus people had come at that time. Okay, 1920s or something like that. And because of his visit here, that area is called Gandhi Bazaar. That's how it is Gandhi Bazaar.
what he is saying is 1920s,
हाँ
the main leader came,
हाँ हाँ हाँ
and you are in 2020s. No, this is not by design, huh? It is came out
it
by-
just happened. Really old trees.
very very old place. And it also has its own share of educational institutions.
अच्छा.
For example, there is one group of institutions called as BMS. That is there here.
Okay.
Then there is one national college.
Very old. National College is almost 100 years now. National College was
Law college here was founded in
almost, you can
1958.
say,
Where my daughter studied.
whoever who find you as great in Karnataka, nearly about 30 to 40% are from National College.
Very nice. Ahmedabad is आपरे.
Hard, otherwise you
Still better than Ahmedabad.
G Aerospace.
have a good experience like hill station. You feel like that. Thankfully, it is not raining today.
It's not raining.
That is God. Last 2 weeks it was
क्लाउडी एंड ड्राई
अच्छा.
आज नहीं है बिल्कुल
National College
क्या पा रहे थे इसमें
one more speciality about Bangalore.
हाँ
This opens at 5:30. A very famous temple, nearly 500 plus year old, and built by Kempe Gowda.
Okay.
You got down in Kempe Gowda International
हाँ,
Airport, that's it.
हाँ, हाँ.
Kempe Gowda.
Correct.
Four lines. Madam, ನೀವು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ separate ಆಗಿ.
So one more thing about rains in Bangalore. That in the Western Ghats in Kerala near Palakkad, there is a gap. There is no mountain there.
अच्छा.
Everyone this
That
side.
That is the reason you will find that all the northeasterly winds. Bangalore gets rains in this time because of that gap. Otherwise, only the time when Chennai used to get rain, it will get rain. So Bangalore is at a point where it gets rains in both the seasons. The regular monsoon season
And the
as well as-
retreating. हाँ
and the one when Chennai and eastern seaboard
हाँ.
gets na जो
दीपावली टाइम.
दीपावली टाइम या उसके बाद Jan and Feb. This is the big bull temple. ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದಾ? You can have it.
And it's a very big and people say that it is still growing. So to stop its growth, someone has put a big nail on its head.
अच्छा.
So that's the story behind it. But we don't know. From childhood we actually not
Very important pillars that surrounding
that is different.
surrounding the
Surroundings of
Bangalore, which is the original pillars which Kempegowda one and Kempegowda two erected
kind of
to
a
make
logo
this is
of
the
Vijayanagar
temple.
Samraj, I mean kingdom. Okay, so that is
अच्छा उनका emblem है.
not an emblem, but
But you will
wherever
say-
wherever there is Vijayanagara's
Architectures
people
are there, in the architecture it reflects.
no, this Kempegowda was a
Was a chieftain
subordinate to Vijayanagara Empire. So because of that, he has this kind of a Narsimha, not Narsimha, a kind of a lion. Okay, so this is what it is actually. This is a very old what is called as
Pillar.
Stamba
Is exactly in front of.
in front of
exactly. Actually, one of
what
the
we call as Garuda Gamba in Kannada, but I don't know what is called in Hindi.
South India would find all, in all the temples.
In all temples, you
will
will find a South Indian temple, like this.
and talking of emblems and the currency of Vijayanagara Empire was a Varaha. Varaha avatar. And it is said that possibly one of the reasons because there are a lot of Varaha stambas near Hampi. And therefore a lot of people who wanted to destroy it, right? They could not come inside because they
of
saw
the Varaha.
because of that.
Because of that.
So we are able to see Hampi because of Varaha Murti. Right?
Interfere where there is a pig.
Yeah. So that is how it was saved.
Now the movie is also making great.
Yes.
Narasimha.
Varaha
And even during those days, Hindus started domesticating pigs just because
To save
safeguard
themselves.
their
to save
family and
themselves.
But we are still, way to go. Trust me. In some of the states, the way it's happening, especially if you look at Kerala, if you look at Bengal, Punjab, we are in a bad strait. Trust me.
I am from Bengal. I know.
You're from Bengal?
So what we'll now do is go more
shame
upstairs.
kind of.
There's a place called as Bugle Rock. And it is named as Bugle Rock because there was a time in which Bugle used to be Bugle used to be sounded there at some hours,
Okay.
few hours which are there. So let us see
For
if it is-
signaling time.
Signaling time.
From this side.
Yeah, let us see. I think
Yeah.
we're making Jaipur.
Oh, nice. Thank you so much.
It is open or not.
Others please go stand in line. Only Gurudat sir, Vinod sir and Ankit ji. Sir, ಎಲ್ಲ Sir, don't start.
The garden also has been.
Everybody ready? Yeah. Please join the line quickly.
64.
Oh, it's off, huh? Okay.